The power of ideas, unlocking the potential of bots. An ideas time has come, and it's time to explore the world of bots. In the first week of September, the bot market and the bot index showcased a calm and steady performance. While the bots gained a modest 14 basis points, the S&P 500 rose by an impressive 33 basis points. However, this is just the beginning of an intriguing story. Google's rise, a benchmark ruling and a cloudy future. Google, the star performer within the bot index, experienced a remarkable 10.13% gain. This surge can be attributed to a recent court ruling that dismissed the monopoly case hanging over the company. Google's management also projected a $58 billion contribution from its cloud business, further fueling this week's momentum. But here's where it gets controversial. The impact of Jim Cramer's push on Google's stock price. Is it a sign of a healthy market or a potential bubble? Safety first. Navigating the world of autonomous robots. Autonomous mobile robots are revolutionizing the robotics industry, and it's crucial to ensure their safe integration into industrial settings. That's why we're offering a live virtual training session to introduce you to the essential safety protocols and best practices. Don't miss this opportunity to stay ahead of the curve and ensure a safer workplace. The bot index, a peak and a shift. The bot index surpassed its peak from November 2021, and the gap between bot performance and the broader market is widening. The trend of narrowing, which began in 2024, seems to be reversing. The S&P 500 briefly overtook the bot index from March to June 2025, but the bots have resumed their dominance. This shift raises questions about the future trajectory of the bot market. A new addition, Faro Technologies and Palantir. In a strategic move, Balcones Investment Research has decided to replace Faro with Palantir PLTR in the bot index due to Faro Technologies' acquisition. Next week, we'll witness the debut of PLTR's performance within the index. This change adds a layer of complexity to the bot index and opens up new avenues for discussion and analysis. As we delve deeper into the world of bots, it's essential to stay informed and engage in meaningful discussions. What are your thoughts on the potential impact of autonomous robots in various industries? And how do you interpret the recent shifts in the bot index? Share your insights and let's explore the possibilities together.